7 bad fishing habits that hurt your health, and how to fix them. Intro. Hey fellow anglers! Fishing pole and fish. Today, we're going to talk about something most of us don't consider when we're out fishing: our health. Fishing is a great way to unwind, but if we're not careful, some of our habits can actually harm our body and affect our fishing experience. I'm talking about those small things that seem harmless but could have a big impact in the long run. So, let's dive into 7 bad fishing habits you need to change for your health and well-being. Trust me, after this video, you'll be fishing smarter and healthier. Flexed biceps. 1. Fishing on an empty stomach. We've all been there, up at the crack of dawn, rushing to get to the perfect fishing spot. You skip breakfast, grab a quick snack, or sometimes nothing at all. But fishing on an empty stomach is a big no-no. Why? It can cause low blood sugar, leading to dizziness, nausea, and even fainting. Imagine standing up after a long sit and suddenly feeling woozy. Not good. If you're eager to get out there, at least prepare breakfast ahead of time, or bring along a snack to keep your energy up. Trust me, it'll help you stay sharp throughout your fishing trip. 2. Holding in your urine, to keep staring at the float. Okay, let's be real. Sometimes we don't want to leave the fishing spot because we're waiting for that bite. But holding in your urine for hours can be harmful. Toilet. It increases bladder pressure, and over time, this can lead to serious health issues, including cystitis, nephritis, and even heart problems in older anglers. So, don't be that person who holds it in. Take the bathroom break when you need it. Fish will still be there when you get back. 3. Only drinking when you're already thirsty. Thirsty equals too late. Alarm clock. Many anglers forget to hydrate throughout the day and only think about it once they're parched. By then, your body is already dehydrated. In summer, this is especially dangerous. It can lead to heat stroke. Tip: pack a bottle of lightly salted water and sip it regularly throughout the day, even if you're not thirsty yet. This keeps your hydration levels stable and helps you stay cool under the sun. 4. Eating irregularly, skipping meals or overeating. Fishing for hours on end without properly fueling your body can mess with your energy. Some anglers skip meals or just eat whatever they can find nearby. This can leave you feeling sluggish or even weak. Tip: fishing is a physical activity, and you need energy to keep your focus up, especially if you're fighting a big catch. If you're fishing for long hours, consider ordering takeout or cooking a simple meal on site. Your body will thank you. 5. Staring at the float until your eyes hurt. We've all done it, staring at the float for hours straight, convinced that the second you look away, that's when the fish will bite. But your eyes aren't meant to be strained like that. Tip: look around every now and then at the sky, the trees, or just relax your eyes. Resting your eyes can help prevent things like dry eye syndrome, and it won't make you miss any bites either. Trust me, the fish won't suddenly disappear because you looked away for a minute. 6. Sitting for too long until your back and waist ache. Fishing is great, but sitting for long periods can take a toll on your back and waist. Even with comfy chairs, it's still important to move around. Tip: after 30 minutes or so, stand up, stretch, swing your arms, and twist your waist. Not only will this prevent stiffness, but it'll also help you feel better and reduce muscle tension. Your body needs it. 7. Smoking non-stop to pass the time. We all know this one. Smoking while fishing seems to go hand in hand for some anglers. But here's the thing, it's bad for your health and can scare the fish away. No smoking symbol. Tip: instead of lighting up every time you're bored, try to find other ways to pass the time, maybe listen to music or just enjoy the peace and quiet. Cut down on smoking for your health, your wallet, and the fish. Conclusion. So, how many of these habits have you fallen into? Don't worry, we've all been there. The important thing is to change them so that you can keep enjoying your favorite hobby for years to come without it harming your health. Eat regularly, hydrate, and don't hold it in. Rest your eyes, stretch your back, and find ways to stay active. Cut down on smoking, and most importantly, always remember to take care of your health while fishing. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow anglers. Let's all fish smarter and healthier. Fishing pole and fish flexed biceps. About the author. I'm a passionate fishing blogger, sharing tips, skills, and health advice for all anglers. Follow me for more insights, and let's continue making fishing a fun and healthy hobby.